Let's explore a powerful tool that can help in managing obesity, meditation. But how does it work, especially when we talk about weight loss without exercise? Let's find out. First, let's understand the connection between stress and weight gain. When we experience stress, our body releases hormones like cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels can lead to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods, often resulting in weight gain. Here's where meditation comes in. Meditation is a practice that encourages relaxation and promotes a state of calmness. Research shows that regular meditation can lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and its impact on our eating habits. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can train your mind to respond to stress more effectively. This can help curb emotional eating and reduce cravings for high-calorie comfort foods. Physiologically, meditation promotes the activation of the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest system. This leads to lower heart rates, improved digestion, and enhanced metabolic functions, all contributing to healthier weight management. Additionally, meditation can improve insulin sensitivity. When insulin levels are stable, your body is better able to manage glucose, reducing the likelihood of storing excess fat. Mindfulness, a key component of meditation, encourages you to be more aware of your eating habits. By practicing mindfulness, you can develop a healthier relationship with food, making more conscious choices about what you eat and how much. In summary, meditation is a powerful practice that can help manage obesity without exercise. By reducing stress, promoting relaxation, and encouraging mindfulness, it supports healthier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Let's make wellness a priority together.